Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to introduce a small product for you. This is craft glue from Asian Paints True Grip. So I've purchased this product for 49 rupees from Flipkart using super coins. So this product was a great deal. Its actual cost is 100 rupees, but I got it for 49 rupees and some super coins. So I'll show you the product. You will get 10 pieces per pack. Nice, I really like this vibrant colors and the shape. After finishing the glue, you can use this as a toy. Your kids are gonna love this. Okay, so we can test the glue. Squeeze a little bit. I'll show you one more piece. No. I'll show you. Okay. Nice product. So they are perfectly glued together. This product is nice. Okay. So you can buy this product if you like this, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.